Aussie, oi, oi, oi. What's up, everyone? This is Kratzy76au, content creator, YouTuber, but I perform on Twitch. For our Christmas, my children got ELMER's slime starter kit. And you can see there, ELMER's slime kit. And 9 counts, and it includes 2 clear glues, 5 glitter glues, pens, 2 bottles of magic liquid. We tried some yesterday and it worked fantastic, so we're just going to go through the steps. My daughter's performing it, but you won't see her in the picture at this stage. Why do I have to? Well, there's 6 steps to the process. There's the glitter pens look like, and there's the clear magic glue and the magic liquid. We need a bowl. We got the bowl. We got the magic glue and the magic liquid. And today we're making blue glittery slime. So, and we got the scooper, spoon, spatula, and it's all washable in water, I mean. So we're gonna add the clear glue. This is a starter kit, so you've got to use everything that's in the bottle. Even though they give you the fancy caps, you just throw it in, you can take it off. The second step is the glittery glue. So sensory activities like this, after it's made, it's great for emotional well-being support, because I'm an early educator, early childhood and educational here. So the third part is to start mixing it in. Did you get all the blue in? I might just have to help here, everyone. There's a lot more glue. There's lots. You got to use it all up so it gets a real colour. If you get stuck, everyone, just ask the parent or your older sibling that's helping. The squeeze. Use your fine, your strong finger muscles in your fingers to squeeze it out. If you get stuck, just ask the older sibling or parents. It's like when you have toothpaste, it's got to squeeze that last bit out. We found. That's it. All gone. Always put your rubbish into the. Now we're going to add. So after mixing it evenly through, we're adding the magical liquid. And watch the chemical, it's called a chemical reaction here. You can see it transforming as you add the magic glue. Keep adding it, please. Ooh, look. It's kind of like a jelly slime. So slime and sensory experience like this is good for social well-being, allowing a child to just be calm. Not every child's confident or has sensory processing where they can't handle having their fingers dirty. But there's so many other benefits: communication, family time when you do the experience, describing the initiatives, and what it's all tacky, and when they start grasping it for their hands, squeezing. Oh, I can see you squeezing it through your fingers, and they're asking questions. How does it feel? Now we have to knead it. It's like baking bread, you have to, or a dough, you have to knead it and allowing it to, allowing the products to interact with each other. Just have to give a hand there. Oh, it's coming stretchy, see? Yeah, that's what I was talking about, a good example of describing it. And it's tacky to her hand. There's a bit more down there. Look at it. We made some yesterday on Christmas Day, and we put in a sandwich bag, and it's still like really just like jelly, and it seems to have lasted without putting it in the fridges. We made some gold glue. It's really, you might want to just roll it inside. Yeah, see if you can pick it up. Getting hard inside, so we're just trying to get that last bit, try not to waste it. And that's it. So have fun if you buy an Elmer's slime starter kit. We purchased ours in Australia at Target, so I think there's other retailers. You just have to, I can put a link in to Elmer's website where you can purchase them. Oh, look. And that's our slime. So thanks everyone for watching the YouTube clip of us making ELMER's starter slime kit. Great fun, beneficial. I'll give in the description, I'll give some links where you can purchase it and some beneficial benefits for children at a young age. So bye for now, and give us a thumbs up if you like the video, and subscribe to my channel if you like to see more content. Thank you.